Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look again in the gold market. So in the gold market, price shows a bit tricky action because only yesterday we have talked about that probably downward action could continue. At least we said that it seems that the advantage stands on the side of the bears, and currently we see some hints that probably gold could continue to move lower. Yesterday it was high wave pattern has been broken here, and market was standing below its lows. In general, it has shown inability to continue move higher here and double the harmonic swing. But now, as you can see, market has returned back up again inside range of this harmonics and this high wave pattern, and overall situation stands a bit tricky because market keeps chances to form opposite patterns. So as you will see a bit later on the intraday charts, market could form as a butterfly. So here you can see this could become the left wing of the butterfly. Now it's starting the right wing and drop down. So as bullish pattern, because on the intraday charts we still have the catalyst triple to buy, and this pattern we have discussed yesterday as an alternative scenario to butterfly. But this action that we see right now makes no impact on the daily picture, because on the daily we still think that market really could continue move lower and hit the 1262 in the medium term perspective. Why? Because, guys, by the indirect signs of weakness. So first of all, on the OP target, reaction was very small, as we talked about it. Collapse has happened yesterday, has happened after that. It's really fast acceleration. Here reaction also stands not really very impressive on this major support. Would not see any thrusting action to the upside, would not see this kind of action. So market still stands rather tight, and it doesn't show any appreciation. So it makes me think that this long-term downward action is still valid and bearish momentum still exists here. That's why whether market will show a bit deeper retracement or not, it's currently overall chances on the downward continuation exist. Besides, as we said yesterday, despite the trend has turned bullish, we did not see any real significant action here. It's some kind of the choppy and sloppy action. Mostly suggests existing of some bearish pressure here, bearish dynamic pressure, and makes possible still downward continuation. So the price action that we see mostly makes impact on some intraday patterns, on intraday targets, but it makes really low impact, minor impact on the daily chart. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, I have changed a bit the shape of the butterfly. It doesn't make any impact on the target, on the final destination point, but just makes overall shape a bit different. So it's left wing I have plotted a bit, drawing a bit wider. So yesterday it was smaller, but it doesn't make the overall idea of this butterfly and possible target at 1262. So here, guys, we mostly have the same patterns, the same destination point. Nothing has changed. This market still stands below this major resistance, as we said, 1305 area. It's been tested 3 times, dropped lower, and market's now calling inside of this consolidation. So nothing really new. On the 4-hour time frame chart, the major importance we have there with the extreme points, either here or here, because breaking one of them will mean the destruction of opposite patterns. For example, if market will take it out of this top, the butterfly will be vanished, and the chance on the upward continuation to the 1330 will appear, while opposite action is dropping through these lows will raise any bullish patterns, I mean regardless triple to buy or something of that sort, and will open road to this target destination point. That's what we have. Currently, guys, it's very difficult to understand what's going on here on the gold market, because with our godless triple two, market has hit the OP target, shows the pullback. So what this pullback is, either it's reaction on the OP, market could continue move lower to the next destination point, because as you can see, XOP of this minor A, B, C top still stands above the A point, and it could be deep, but still got this triple two buy. Or this will be starting of the upward continuation, and we should keep an eye on the AB equals CD target right here, 1315. This action doesn't let us to find the final conclusion, to find the solution of this situation, because it's still coiling inside of this consolidation, brings nothing new to understanding what's going on here. It doesn't give us any new inputs that could let us to resolve this riddle. So that's why in the current situation, guys, I do not see any good situation for taking some position on for a few sessions even. So maybe some minor patterns you could try to catch. For example, as it was yesterday, this drop, minor ABCD retracement has given us the minor godless triple to buy here around this consolidation. Only this kind of patterns maybe could be traded on the gold market right now, but taking the position either in the expecting of the hitting 1315 or opposite position taking short with the downward action, I do not see sufficient context to do that. So currently we can't say that we have clear setup. It's based on some clear patterns that suggest action in one direction with more chances in another. Mostly I would describe the situation on the gold market as indecision. That's why it's not really very suitable for taking some position, at least for a few sessions, some long-term positions. And I think that's better to wait a bit more on the gold market to see some maybe more signs, more clues on the gold market that lets us understand what's going on here and find a chance to take the position on some other assets.